my Spooktacular, whatever you want to call it, week, because I don't have a name for it yet. But we're going to be doing some fun stuff. Even though I look really, really funny right now because I have no eyebrows. Just wait for it. So anyways, today is day 1 of my Halloween series. I will be with you posting every day this week from Monday to Saturday. So every day we'll be doing a different Halloween look in case you need a last minute Halloween look, or just you're preparing, that kind of thing. So I'm going to be doing a series of different looks, some scary, some funny, some glammy, whatever you want to thing, whatever kind of thing. Yeah. So I hope that you guys enjoy this week and will join me for the whole week. It's going to be fun. I'm so super excited. Today I am doing, for my first video, today is the 1 product challenge. And it's a 1 product Halloween challenge. So, thank you to I Am Clemmy, she tagged me. Girl, you got me doing this 1 eyeliner, 1 product shit, I'm gonna do it. So, I have a good idea for what I'm gonna do, so we're gonna roll with it, and it's hopefully gonna turn out really good and spooky. And of course, I gotta do something, a little bit complicated because that's just what I do. So I decided that I'm going to use, for really good blendable purposes and stuff, I'm using the e.l.f. and this is the eyeliner. It is just black eyeliner stuff. The first thing I'm gonna do before I get started is I want to figure out, I have a headband and some clips. I'm gonna go ahead and pull my hair back and out of my face, we don't want to ruin this beautiful hair. I'll be right back and we'll get started. Alright, I decided to go with a headband just to kind of keep the hair out of my face. Spiders. Ah. Okay, let's go. Take my Alamar brush and kind of blend out some of these lines to add some definition. Alright, next I'm going to, let's add some more lines. Alright, I'm gonna take my Alamar brush again, and I'm just gonna blend out some of these outer edges. Actually, I'm gonna get a little product on here. That is it. Now I have my headband off. We are good. That is it. Again, thank you to I Am Clemmy for tagging me to do a one product challenge video. How do you think I did? Alright, give me a big thumbs up if you think that I did good with this challenge. I think it turned out pretty freaking good. I'm happy with it. Hope you guys are too. Remember to stay tuned for tomorrow, day 2. We're gonna do something else. So I am excited for that. Don't forget to, if you're not already, subscribe for more awesome videos. Alrighty, I will see you on my next one. Bye.